Someone else come on the floor. Fuck you. Whoever's blue.
What does it mean? Did red come here as well?
Oh my god.
I've got that. Oh fuck that is so... Right, people that need petrol out here, petrol.
I haven't seen my new gun.
Oh dear god.
Is that noise? Bro, that is so annoying.
£5 please. Thank you.
Who's knocking?
£5 please, mate. Thank you.
You gonna actually work, or are you just gonna follow us about, man?